Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to zoom in and zoom out here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, zooming in and out in Smartsheet can help you view and manage your sheets more effectively, especially when dealing with large datasets or detailed projects. Now, there are two ways for you to zoom in and zoom out of your Smartsheet. One is using the browser of your choice. There's going to be an option when you go to the right side panel. There should be an option that says zoom, all right? You can zoom out and zoom in. You can use this on native functionality depending on the web interface that you are using, all right? If you're using the Chrome, you might want to use the three-dot menu at the top right corner. And obviously, it's the same process. Just click on this, zoom in and zoom out. It's the same for Firefox and Edge. Right now, I'm using Brave, so this is going to be the functionality. And they also have the option for the full screen if you want it, all right? That's one way. Now, the other way is, now here, all we can do is press the control and the plus button to zoom in right here, or command for Mac OS and control minus to zoom out. All right. So, and command minus using the Mac OS. So that's your two options to zoom in and zoom out here in Smartsheet. Now, the thing is, zooming in allows you to see more detailed information on a smaller area of the sheet, which can be very useful for reviewing intricate data, editing specific cells, or focusing on particular tasks. Now, while zooming out helps you get a broader view of your sheet, making it easier to see the entire structure of your project, including how tasks and milestones relate to each other. This is particularly important when you are using the Gantt view, because Gantt view is more detailed. As you can see, this is useful when dealing with large data sets or complex projects. Zooming out helps you navigate more effectively by providing the larger view of the sheet, reducing the need for excessive scrolling. Okay? As you can see it from here. Now, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.